The Great Barrier Reef is one of the most spectacular natural wonders worldwide. However, do you know where to go to visit it? Stay tuned, because today we're gonna go until there to show you. If you would like to visit any city which we are talking about, there are links with the best accommodation deals in each video description. Do not hesitate to click on them for the best prices. Understanding the city. Brisbane is the capital and third most populous city in the Australian state of Queensland. It has a population of approximately 2.6 million. The central business district of Brisbane is located within a peninsula of the city's river, and it's within 15 kilometres of the Moreton Bays Bay. The metropolitan area includes several of Australia's most populated local government areas, LGAs. Brisbane was founded upon the lands of the Turrbal people. The area where it is located is known as the Brisbane River, which is named after Sir Thomas Brisbane, the Governor of New South Wales. The city's penal settlement was established in 1824. Brisbane's climate can be seasonal. During the Northern Hemisphere's wet season, it enjoys a hot and sunny summer. During winter, it stays mostly dry and cool. During the summer months, the humidity is high and the temperature can reach 35 degrees Celsius. Nights can drop to 20 degrees Celsius. In summer, wear a t-shirt and shorts while enjoying casual activities. Air conditioning will keep you comfortable during the hot days. Reaching destination. Brisbane Airport, or short BNE, is approximately 20 kilometers north of the city center, near Eagle Farm. There are numerous regional centers and direct flights to all Australian capitals. It is also possible to fly to most Asian destinations, such as Shanghai, Tokyo, or Bangkok without using Sydney or Melbourne. Interesting facts about the city. The Jagera people and the Turrbal people were the principal clans of Brisbane City. The city is named after Sir Thomas Brisbane, who was New South Wales Governor from 1820 to 1823. He was also an astronomer. First Strike is a 1996 action film directed by Jackie Chan. It was partially shot in Brisbane, with a car chase and explosion taking place in the Chinatown Mall. Armand Galland was a French chef who worked at the Lamingtons in Brisbane. He created the Lamington with a simple but elegant French vanilla sponge cake, rich chocolate and coconut. From 1827 to 1830, Queen Street was a prison camp for up to 1,000 convicts. It was built on the corner of Albert and Queen Streets. The walls of the building were also surrounded by a flogging circle. The site of the city's first cemetery was located at Suncorp Stadium. Originally known as the cemetery, it was moved to another location when the city expanded. The old Spring Hill Water Reservoir has been turned into an underground opera venue. The Underground Opera Company restored it to its former glory. In 1941, the bombing of Pearl Harbor sent ships into Pearl Harbor, which prompted Brisbane to become the busiest submarine port on the planet. In 1943, thousands of American troops were stationed in Brisbane as part of the war effort. Brisbane City Hall is Australia's largest city hall. It was completed in 2008. The clock tower of City Hall is 92 meters high, with an observation platform located at the other end of the building. North Stradbroke Island features some of the most stunning scenery in Australia. Brisbane has 283 days of sunny days a year. Winter days rarely dip below 20 degrees Celsius. The Story Bridge is a twin bridge located in Montreal, Canada. Both the Jacques Cartier Bridge and the Story Bridge are designed by the same architect. Sir Charles Kingsford Smith was born in Brisbane on February 14, 1928. He was the first person to fly across the Pacific Ocean and land in Australia. Beach House is located on the corner of Elizabeth and Albert Streets, Myer Centre. Bar Merlot is located in the same building. One of the leading coffee shops in Brisbane since the 90s. The first foreigners to discover the Brisbane River was 4 men who were hit by a storm while travelling north from Sydney. They were able to cross the river after crossing a creek mouth using a native canoe. John Oxley, a British surveyor general, discovered the Brisbane River during his trip to Australia. He came across the waterway while passing Moreton Island. He named the area for the settlement due to its abundance of fish and the pine trees that grew in it. As Brisbane grew, the streets became named after the royals. Some of the city's northeast-facing streets became named after female royals. Eat out. Some of the most well-known restaurants is Beach House, which is located on the corner of Elizabeth and Albert Streets, Myer Center. Bar Merlot is located in the same building. One of the leading coffee shops in Brisbane since the 90s. Price of a meal can vary from $10 to $20, depending on your choice. Accommodation in Brisbane. Places to sleep are abundant in Brisbane, with the most expensive within the town centre and alongside beach, and cheap ones on the other side of the city. The average room price is around $60/night per person.